Ukwuani people, make una come closer. You people should come closer. I hope you people know that the slot for a state to be created was given to the southeast. The southeast have only 5 states. That slot is for the southeast to have an additional state to make their region 6 states. The southeast have given up other states, Etiti states, Aba states, Olu states, Orashi states, for Anioma state to join them. But instead, some of our Ukwuani people, some Eka people, are fighting the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. The only person from Oshimiri and Anyocha land that is against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast is the Asaba of Asaba. Obi of Ubuluku not there against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. Obi of Idumuchuboko, Obi of Onichubo, Obi of Onichuku, Obi of Ogwashuku, Obuzo of Ibuzo, the Ukwuani of Okpanam, all the communities wey surround Asaba. None of them dey against the creation and zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. Olukumi people for this Anioma land, they are not against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. Ebu people that are Igala speaking people in this Anioma land, they are not against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. Ishiago people that were massacred during the Biafra war, called Ishiago massacre, they are not against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast. The only person in this Oshimiri and Anyocha local government that is against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast is the Asaba of Asaba. So, are you now telling us that the Asaba of Asaba is the one to speak up for us? No. Asaba of Asaba no dey represent us. Asaba dey like that today now because of southeast. The southeast built Asaba. Those hotels, mansions where they see for Asaba, now southeasterners and build all those things. Our Igbo brothers from southeast and build all those things where they see for Asaba. Asaba is nothing without the southeast. But today, Asaba of Asaba no wan make Anioma state join southeast. And his reasons is political. And that's because he's working with Okowa. Okowa don't want Anioma state to join southeast. For his selfish interest, because he wants to be the father of Anioma state. Any king from Ikaland that don't want Anioma state to join southeast is because that king is following Okowa. All those kings where they see for Ika when no make Anioma state join southeast, Okowa na their papa, Okowa na their godfather. So those kings are protecting the interest of Okowa. If not, so many Ika people see themselves as Igbo. They call themselves Igbo. When we went to Abo, bike men were carry us for that place. If we ask them where you from, you be from this Abo town or you from Umunede, they will talk say they are from this community Abo. Ask them, are you Igbo? They will not say we be Igbo now. Say which people be those people they talk say they not be Igbo people. They will tell you say this town Abo is an Igbo community. We speak Igbo language. All those Ika people you are seeing on social media saying that they are not Igbo. They are paid actors. Now, those our Ukwuani people where they talk say Ukwuani not be Igbo, say you no want join our southeast brothers where they hear their language, where they understand their language. People where they say we Ukwuani people get the same culture and tradition with them. We understand each other. We do for market days. We do Ikenga. We do Egwamala. We have masquerades like them. The same masquerade in southeast are in Ukwuani land. We have the same deities. Eleshe, Alose, we have it all. Yet, some of our Ukwuani people say that they don't want to join our Igbo brothers in the southeast. Some politicians in Ukwuani land are working with Senator Nwoko to see that Anioma state is being actualized and zoned to the southeast. But those politicians from Ukwuani land that are working with Okowa don't want Anioma state to be created and zoned to the southeast. Okowa is only trying to frustrate Senator Nwoko, to frustrate our southeast brothers, for them to give up on Anioma state and focus on Adada, Etiti, and another state in the southeast. He don't want Anioma state to join southeast, and you people should know that this thing that Okowa is doing, he don't want Anioma to join the southeast or south. He knows that the slot is for a state to be created for the southeast. He wants to jeopardize it to make sure that Anioma state does not come to pass. to make sure that Anioma State is not created at all. You know what make Anioma State dey for South, you know what make it dey for Southeast. That is the reason for all these things that you are seeing today. Some of our Ukwuani people no one understand this thing, why they tell them. The reason why I'm telling Ukwuani people this thing is because we Ukwuani people, we are the most marginalized people in this Anioma land. Whether we like it or not, Oshimiri, Anyocha and the Eka people are playing on our intelligence. Even if we dey speak the same language, we and them not get the same agenda. The agenda of Eka people not be the same with Ukwuani people. Whether we like it or not, if we like make we call ourselves brothers, we and them not get the same agenda. Because we be Ukwuani, they be Eka. So now, as it be say, some Eka people they follow Okowa. This is for you to know that we Ukwuani people, we and these people not get the same agenda. The agenda of Okowa now to destroy the agitation of Anioma State. Because he wants to be the godfather of Anioma. He won't make it be the Oga Pata Pata. So many politicians for this Delta North are working for Okowa. Okowa na their godfather. That is why you are seeing them fighting against Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Most of those politicians, their origin is from Uri. Some of them, their origin is from Isu. Some of them, their origin is from Aguleri. Some of them, their origin is from Arochukwu. But instead, they are fighting against the zone of Anioma State to the Southeast. They know they do that thing from their mind. They do that thing for their pockets. They do that thing for their belly. The reason why I'm telling my Ukwuani people this thing is because Ukwuani people, nine they feed this country called Nigeria. Ukwuani people, nine they feed Delta State. Ukwuani people, nine they feed Delta North. As they talk about this Anioma State now, Ukwuani people are not saying anything. Instead, some of our Ukwuani Gen Z generation, all these small children, who call themselves adults, go come and they talk say, we don't want to join the Southeast. We are not Igbo people. We are Igala people. We are Yoruba people. We are Ijaw people. We are Isekiri people. We are Bini people. You are speaking Igbo language. You are practicing Igbo culture and tradition. And you are saying that you are not an Igbo person. How did you stop speaking Bini language and you ended up speaking Ukwuani that is Igbo language? How come? Some of you are saying that your ancestors are from Bini, your ancestors are from Igala, that you now speak Ukwuani. How your ancestors they forget their language? Come start to speak Ukwuani. As if say Ukwuani language now dominates for this our Ukwuani land is to tell you that this region is an Igbo region. Now those of you that are saying that you are not Igbo, that you are Igala, that you are Bini, telling lies about your history, you people should know that this place where you did so now, na Igbo territory. The language that you speak is where you belong. Our ancestors are not Igala people. Our ancestors are not Bini people. Check the name of our ancestors and tell us the meaning of their names in Bini language. Tell us the meaning of their names in Igala language. Come Ogume, my community, none of our ancestors they bear Bini name. Go Biaroko, none of their ancestors they bear Bini name. Go Otabo, no Otabobe, none of their ancestors they bear Bini name. Yet they will tell you they be Bini people because their ancestors, their Igbo ancestors that ran away from Bini and settled in their land. They call it on say because of say their ancestors run come out from Bini, say their ancestor now Bini person. Identity crisis is very bad. Some they talk say their papa not tell them say they be Igbo people. My grandpapa not tell me say we be Ukwuani people. My grandpapa tell me say we be Ogume people. That name Ukwuani is a political name, a name used to hold Ukwuani speaking people. That's why we are being called Ukwuani. We don't have any ancestor called Ukwuani. That name Igbo is for those people that are speaking Bia language in this country called Nigeria. Igbo will not be just those ones where they across River Niger. We have been Igbo people since our history. That water not be boundary. Not be only Igbo land, water divide. Water divide so many tribes for this country, yet they remain one people. Why our own go different? Ukwuani land don't have lights for 20 years. We don't have roads. We don't have federal or state university. We don't have federal or state polytechnic. We don't have federal or state college of education. We don't have federal or state hospital. Nothing there for Ukwuani land, and now we get the resources where go they power this Anioma State. Why are we allowing these selfish politicians to turn us against our Southeast brothers? Some of our people for Ukwuani they say Igbo people will come and take our land. Igbo people will marginalize us. Igbo people will come and impose kinship on us. Igbo people are trying to put us under them. This, that, una go dey talk nonsense. Where una don't see where you say Igbo people they take people land. Where una don't see am. Some of our Ukwuani people are talking as if Ukwuani land is better than the southeast. Ukwuani not reach southeast for anything for this life. For this life, nowhere where Ukwuani people take reach southeast. Now for education, now for intelligence, now for development, now for infrastructure, nowhere Ukwuani take reach southeast. Yet, una dey pride on ourselves, like say una be anything. Yet you are nothing. Tell me one way you go take boast for Ukwuani land. Ukwuani Bianese, Ukwuani Bianese. Show me one where show say Ukwuani Bianese. It's very shameful say Ukwuani land wey be say suffering for Ukwuani land. Our Ukwuani people no one reason no say these politicians are using us for their personal ambition, not for the betterment of Ukwuani people. Any Ukwuani person where they fight against the zoning of Anioma state to the southeast, that Ukwuani person is an enemy to Ukwuani land. Instead of you to use your brain and reason that if we not get these states now, we not go get them again. The slot for state creation is for the southeast. It's meant for the southeast to have 6 states. We Ukwuani people, we supposed to start say we want join our southeast brothers. Say Asaba Fasaba not they speak for us. Say they your father not they speak for us. People will not get resources, and then they thought they don't want to make Anioma state join southeast. You will get the resources instead of you to voice out. Say you want to join your southeast brother. Say you be Igbo. Say you know one day with Urobo Isoko Shekiri where say you and they don't understand each other. Say you one day with your Igbo brothers, you keep quiet. You sit down, they look. Ukwuani land is backward today. The reason Ukwuani land that's today, no be the fault of federal or state governments. Now the way some of our Ukwuani people take the reason. Now when they talk about Anioma state, instead of Ukwuani people to start making a case, start making demand. Ukwuani people are supposed to be saying that they want the capital of Anioma state. In Ukwuani land, that is what we are supposed to be talking about. Instead, as somebody that they pretend say they want to secure the capital city. Ukwuani youth, wake up, make una wake up. Stop allowing politicians to be using you for their selfish interests. How many Ukwuani youths go they proud come and say they get warehouse furniture, they get warehouse for Aba? How many Ukwuani youths go come and talk say they get container where they come from China, where carry their goods come, where they want they sell, they make money? All we do in Ukwuani land is make federal government they collect our crude oil here, then they give our elders for village peanuts, they give our youth leader peanuts. Our youth leader go come they share those money, they give other youths. They go come they happy, they form say they don't arrive. That thing they make our youth they lazy. Crude oil full southeast. Yet our southeast brothers are not depending on that crude oil for survival. They are doing business, making money. Ukwuani no be that one. All we know is Ikenga festival, Nduku festival, we dance masquerade. It don't finish. This thing they pay me. Many of our Ukwuani people they don't understand this thing why they tell them now. We are doing everything possible to join our southeast brothers. Make we grow. You follow Okowa and some other Eka people. They thought say you not be Igbo person. You think say Okowa care about Ukwuani people. When Okowa was the governor of Delta State, what did Okowa do for Ukwuani people? When Okowa was the senator representing Delta North, what did he do for Ukwuani people? Today, those Ukwuani people that are supporting Okowa are busy saying that Senator Nwoko did nothing. When Okowa was there, what did he do for Ukwuani people? Now these things are not supposed to be reason. If not, politicians don't care about you. As we they say support Senator Nwoko make we get Anioma state. We know they thought say make you be a Ned Nwoko person. We are say support Anioma state. Now Anioma state we want. Make we get the Anioma. Make Ukwuani people get senator where they represent them. Make Ukwuani people get representatives where they represent them. Ukwuani can produce governor. Ukwuani can have state and federal universities. Ukwuani go get lights. Good thing go enter Ukwuani land. But una don't want them. Una want to jeopardize the creation of Anioma state because of say some of una not like Senator Nwoko. Because of say some of una now boy to Okowa. If for example say we not get these states now, they not go want give una the states be South people when a slot for a state to be created in the South comes out. They go talk say you people lost the opportunity when Southeasterners gave you the opportunity to join them. As we did Delta States now, Ukwuani is being marginalized. If for example say Anioma state is being actualized and kept in the South, Ukwuani people will still be marginalized because we don't have a word of our own. See as they take the agitate for Anioma state, Ukwuani voice is silent. Nobody for Ukwuani they talk. Awokpaluku, those delegates representing Awokpaluku, make una create a stronger body for Ukwuani land. Make una raise una voice, make una form a strong organization. Not be Ndokwaneku no dey do anything. Those people they play politics, they don't care about Ukwuani land. Ndokwaneku, familiars Ndokwaneku, wetin Ndokwaneku don carry come Ukwuani land. Abi Ukwuani person paternally and maternally. My mama na from Moses and my papa na from Ogume. So nothing person go tell me about Ukwuani land. I just focus on Ukwuani because I not get out to talk about Ika people, Oshimi and Anota people. Oshimi and Anota get their own agenda. Ika get their own agenda. If they say Ukwuani and Ika get the same agenda, why if he say university dey Ika land, you know dey Ukwuani land? Why if he say Ika people they get light, Ukwuani not they get light? Even if we don't understand each other, even if we see ourselves as brothers, let's have it in mind that we and these people not get the same agenda. Ndị aga na-agba anyị mgbe okpulu. Ndụkwani na-ego ntị n'ife na-agụ no. Ka anyị dozie Ukwuani. Kwụsị n'ife kenu na-ekwuchi ya bụ ndị Igbo, ya bụ ndị Igbo abụ ndị Ukwuani. Kwụsị n'ife ndị anụ onwe ife ndị anụ na-ememe n'anyị. Ukwuani na-ebibi for ọsọ ụbọchị. Onwe ife anyị wee n'Ukwuani, wee na-ekwu Ukwuani ma ndị Ukwuani agbata nkịtị. Achọni Ukwuani ma mma, Ukwuani dị mma. Ife achọni bụ ka wesa Anioma. Ba na-ekwu n'ishi anyị achọni ka Anioma jee ni South East. Keka na ewese ni South South. Shinde Ukwuani ji ni di ni South South kini. Keka na ewese ni South South. Adi ni South South. Ego anyị nwe, ọkụ anyị nwe. Onwe ife ọma na abasa n'Ukwuani bụ adi ni South South. Badi na-eso ndị politician na-ezuzu ife ndị niwe na-ezuzu. Anyị bụ ndị Ukwuani, ife achọni bụ development Ukwuani land. Ka ife ọma basa na anyị Ukwuani. What Ukwuani people are supposed to be saying is, let Anioma State join South East. If the entire Ukwuani come together, they talk say we want join South East. All this was about Asaba they talk. You know go hold water because our voice is bigger than the voice of Asaba. All this well Okowa and those selfish politicians they talk. Our voice Ukwuani people go they bigger than them. Now we get the resources and where we talk nine they will stand. But because politicians don't buy on a finish, we not get voice of our own again. Now why they keep on our poor, make them fit take on they play politics. Ukwuani people, let's support it to them. We can make sure that Anioma State is being actualized as zone to the southeast. This is the only chance that we have to get this Anioma State. Ishiawale.